Not every dye is created equal. And here we have this dye here. I'm not gonna name names, but this dye is in liquid form, and you can see here how strong it is. This basically was 1/4 of a teaspoon per 1 ounce of water, okay? And I put 1/4 of a teaspoon of the DyeBold dyes here. And to make the same concentration, I actually had to add 9 ounces of water. 9 ounces of water. Hi, Stephen. Yeah, this is how concentrated DyeBold dyes are. And you can see, and it's still actually more concentrated than this one right here. So, and as you can see, there's no residue at all. There are no flakes. These dyes, they dissolve by themselves, really. I don't even have to mix it. All I have to do is put hot water here. So this is, again, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the DyeBold dyes. For 9 ounces of water is the same concentration as 1/4 of a teaspoon of these dyes right here, the mystery dyes, or 1 ounce of water. And you can see it again. That's how concentrated it is. And pretty incredible.